Alrighty, everyone. Great to see you. This is a new video from Mr. Judy. So this is a video introducing world geography. So let's get started. So in our understanding of world geography, we have to know what geography is. So geography is pretty much the combination of two words, geo and graphia. Geo pretty much means Earth. Graphia means to study or to write down or to draw out. Now, many of you guys have learned of what the Earth looks like. You've seen on different videos how the Earth looks like. In this class, we're going to study what the Earth is itself and the different interactions that we have on Earth as human beings. Now, geography as a discipline isn't a lonely discipline. It's connected to multiple different things. It's connected to biology, it's connected to science, and it's connected to art and other disciplines in the world. So when we study geography, we're not only looking at just straight rocks or pieces of dirt, we're analyzing scientific data and information and understanding what the Earth is or what the Earth is made of. So when looking at geography, there are 6 essential things when it comes to geography, especially in this class. First thing is spatial terms. In spatial terms, we'll be looking at specific terms that have to do with the space around us. You know, we live in a 3-dimensional world, and geography is trying to make a 3-dimensional world into a flat 2-dimensional surface. And we're going to go over different spatial terms that'll make sense of that. You'll look at maps that have meters and distance, and will show feet and length and different measurements to indicate how big and wide and long the Earth is, and determine how much area are we influencing in the world. Next, we're going to be looking at is region and place. Region and place. So regions are different places around the world. We got Australia, we got Africa, we got North America. Those are different regions all across the world. Then we also have specific places. Specific places include San Antonio, Whataburger. Everyone loves a Whataburger. That's my favorite place. And those are specific locations across the world that affect our landscape and our geography. Next, you get physical geography. Now, this will impact how we look at the world when it comes to mountains, oceans, rivers, other landmarks that have a physical effect on the Earth. As you learned throughout this lesson, the Earth is made up of different continents, which are different tectonic plates. That is physical geography. That physical geography affects our world each and every day and affects your life each and every day. Now, another thing that we have that we're going to learn, another essential thing, is the factor of humans. Now, we humans impact the environment every single day. Humans and its cultures interact on those continents and use the physical geography and use the spatial areas around them to give meaning to those things. So we humans and our culture give meaning to the geography around us. If we weren't here, there wouldn't be any meaning to those physical things. Also, what we're going to learn is environment. Now, environment incorporates climate, weather, things like that. Climate is the consistent temperature or the consistent environmental interaction of a certain region. And then the weather is the fluid, kind of random interactions of the environment that happens in any other region. For example, it's really hot in Texas. Usually, it's always hot in Texas. Our climate is usually kind of um, heavily tropical in some regions, and then heavily desert in one region. That's a constant climate. But the weather in San Antonio could be 60 degrees. But tomorrow it could be 75 degrees. And then the last thing we're going to also learn in this class is the use of geography in our daily lives. Now, it's important whenever you're traveling or going over any other place to understand how the geography is. So you are not lost and you are not confused in where you are located. The best way to understand geography is to understand how it affects you. If you know you're going to a desert, then you know to take water. So you understand that a desert doesn't have any water, so you must take water. So understanding those presuppositions so you can be prepared in life. So that is why we study geography. End of video.